Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You begin by opening Google Maps and signing into the Google account you want to use. Enable your device location and give Maps permission to access it. This lets Maps read GPS, Wi-Fi, and cell data. Tap your profile icon, choose Location Sharing, then select Share Location to start. Pick how long to share or choose until you turn this off. Once done, confirm the contact or link you'll share and make sure the recipient can receive the link or is in your contacts. Once sharing is initiated, you decide how the other person sees you. You can select a Google contact to share live location directly, send a link via messaging apps, or copy a shareable code. Set duration, 1 hour, a custom time, or until you turn sharing off so you control privacy. Choose live location for continuous updates or send a single static location for a one-time point. Make sure the recipient opens the link. Live requires their device to have internet and location access. To finish, manage or stop sharing from your profile's location sharing screen or tap the persistent notification and select Stop. If your PIN seems wrong, toggle location off and on, calibrate the compass by moving the phone in a figure 8, and enable high accuracy in location settings so GPS, Wi-Fi, and cell signals combine. If problems persist, make sure Maps is updated, background location is allowed, and you're signed into the correct account. That fixes most issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.